This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Accord Crosstour. This wagon has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, front multi-stage airbags, full power accessories, a HomeLink feature, a security system, ventilated front and solid rear disc brakes, a rear window wiper, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Bill Pierce Courtesy Honda for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, call our internet department, visit our website, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 780 Kitsky Lane in Reno. We look forward to serving you.